Thanks to its silver-colored underbody protection and design details, the Skoda Octavia Scout can be identified as the rugged variant of the model range from the outside. LED fog lights and 18-inch alloys come as standard, as do silver-colored roof rails and silver finish wing mirror housings. Specific front and rear bumpers featuring aluminium effect underbody protection allow the Octavia Scout to be identified at first glance. The model also sports protective black plastic trims for the wheel arches, side sills and lower part of the doors. The front and rear diffusers, roof rails and window frames come in a silver finish, as do the housings of the electrically adjustable, folding and heated wing mirrors with automatic dimming function. The Octavia Scout is equipped with LED fog lights as standard and sports exclusive Scout badges on its front wings. There is a choice of 11 paint finishes. The Scout variant of the Octavia's redesigned, ergonomic and more user-friendly interior features exclusive details that provide the model with its own personal touch. These include decorative strips for the dashboard, thermoflux seat covers and Scout logos on the front seats. The upholstery, multi-level modular dashboard and optional heated multifunction leather steering wheel. Sporting 2 spokes and shift paddles on vehicles with DSG. All come with contrasting Tabor brown stitching. The pedals have an aluminium decor finish, while details on the neatly defined center console provide further visual accents. Decorative strips on the dashboard and door trims, as well as chrome effect door handles, together with new and soft materials complete the car's high-quality impression. An auto-dimming rear-view mirror and textile floor mats provide the finishing touches to the interior. To date, the Octavia Scout has only ever been available as an all-wheel drive wagon. This new generation of the successful model with off-road styling can now also be ordered as a front-wheel drive variant. An engine featuring mild hybrid technology is another first for the Scout, and the most powerful 2-liter TDI now delivers 197 horsepower. The Octavia Scout's all-wheel drive system makes use of a new electronically controlled multi-plate clutch. This clutch, now in its 6th generation, is nearly 1.7 pounds lighter than its predecessor, and it is not only more efficient, but also consumes less fuel, thanks to the use of low-friction oil, reduced bearing preload and refined internal lubrication. For improved responsiveness, the control unit has been integrated, making an external processing unit redundant. The software assesses the customer's driving style to determine whether all-wheel drive is required, completely shutting off the electric motor that drives the oil pump if necessary. If all-wheel drive is required, the system is re-engaged within fractions of a second. The Skoda Octavia Scout comes with a rough road package, including underbody protection at the front and rear as standard. Featuring 0.59-inch additional ground clearance, 6.4 inches overall, the Octavia Scout is equipped for off-road driving, making it the perfect vehicle to meet a variety of requirements. Apart from the 2 TDI producing 114 horsepower, adaptive dynamic chassis control is an optional extra for vehicles with a 2-liter engine. Without dynamic chassis control, the driver can set the characteristics of the XDS Plus system to normal or sport using driving mode select. XDS Plus is an extension of the electronic differential lock and improves traction. The Scout is the only model in the Octavia range to include an optional off-road function, which can also be activated via the central display and driving mode select. This function adapts the settings of the driving stability systems to the driving conditions on dirt tracks and gravel. The accelerator is less sensitive, and the DSG only changes gear at higher engine speeds. The package also includes hill descent assist. The multi-link rear axle fitted in the all-wheel drive Octavia Scout distinguishes itself by providing high levels of comfort and good handling. The new Octavia Scout can be ordered with numerous innovations that Skoda introduced with the launch of this fourth-generation range. The bestseller, fitted with DSG, is the brand's first car to use shift-by-wire technology. The driver selects gears via a small rocker switch located in the center console, which transmits the commands electronically. New assistance systems, such as collision avoidance assist, turn assist and exit warning, as well as the local traffic warning mean that journeys in the Octavia Scout are even safer. What's more, the model is now on the market with full LED matrix headlights, allowing the driver to leave the high beam on at all times. And it can be ordered with full LED tail lights, which feature not only dynamic indicators, but also an animated coming or leaving home function. The Octavia Scout can tow a brake trailer weighing up to 441 pounds. The all-wheel drive model has a fuel capacity of 55 liters, which is 10 liters more than the standard Skoda Octavia variant can hold.